The following contains bright flashing lights and or imagery that may cause discomfort and or seizure for those with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, good, YouTube. So we got a car meet going on. I see a slam truck. But I just got food. We finna meet up with Adam and Addison. I gotta delete some storage so I can film all this. And we're gonna enjoy the meet. Let's get to it. Hey man, if y'all don't know, if you're getting gas at the same pump as somebody, you can't pump gas on the other side. So try your best not to go to the same pump, even though there was like 6 other pumps open on 2 on the other side and 3 on this side. That's 5. She still goes to the same pump. But you know, she felt safer, I guess, to pump here. But that kind of blew me, and I had to wait to get gas. But I need to delete some. I need to make some storage.
Make some storage on their ass.
I want to see that quality.
Shit is peak. Yeah, that's it. Peak ass quality. Look at that. That motherfucker 4K.
Yeah, it is. Trying to. I don't want to. Is it cammed?
No, it's Adam.
No, not is it cam. Is it cammed up?
Yeah.
I hear it.
Already.
Really?
Drop the clutch, man.
Where's what? Who's Jesse?
Spin the block. Can I spin the block?
Can I also go in? Unlock the door. Thank you, sir. I
phone. It's not mine. Where'd they go? My wife.
Wait, by who's they?
You have no heater.
I know. And she just told me to
Well, why can't you do it now, bro?
they might be getting food or something.
Hey, just do it right now.
Five. But I mean, you can. Yeah, I think it's good on the. I really do enjoy it on the first, on the down.
Oh, four?
No, I'm talking about like in first and second. Like I'll give it. I give it hell in first.
That's a real job, man.
It is.
Is it up
It's
for
torquey.
gear?
Is it up for gear?
Yeah.
If you're having a 5, it's automatically. But if you have it in first, then yeah, it's up for gear.
Like road noise wise.
Yes and no.
On lower speeds.
Probably. Yeah. Like if you throw in fifth and just give it gas, I just fill it up so you can.
Put it in fifth.
Yeah, you can put it in fifth and just go.
Turn around.
Just foot to pedal.
Foot to pedal.
Just foot to pedal.
Yeah, foot to pedal. Pedal to the floor. Let me get on the straight. Of course, it's higher. I'm more comfortable.
Is it comfortable to you?
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. What are you doing? Don't
It's torquey.
It is.
It definitely is. That's the one thing I like about it. It's definitely torquey. I mean, you can pull it by people, but like I have one singular bad pulley, and it's colder, so now it's even louder. So I was getting away with not hearing it at all. If the brakes are squishy, I have new
Nobody
brake
here's gonna
pads.
judge this car, I promise. We need to get him to start his car. If you want something loud, that's the damn car. How many miles ago? None. How much gas got in it? None.
I thought he was going two-step it.
He ain't on the flame too. This motherfucker shoot flames. You trying to start my car? I need the key.
Yeah.
Hey, try to drive like how my CD is.
I can't reach the pedals there.
You need to move your seat.
You need some pillows.
Quit driving.
I didn't realize Corvettes were that low. I feel.
Should turn back around. Why the hell?
I should have told her, didn't I pull up? I mean, she hasn't been here, so I mean, she should be fine.
I got some complaints. You guys have been speeding up and down this road. This is actually a road. This ain't a private property. Alright, so speeding up and down here would get y'all caught up in some stuff. Alright? So let me see all y'all's driver's licenses and proof of insurance.
We got detained for an hour, which is why the last little bit is the cop, you know. They were cool, you know, they weren't really that bad. They ran all of our IDs. We weren't even doing nothing, but whatever. But I know for a fact, when you get a step up in like a little town, or at least this town that I'm in, if you get something nice, like I'm talking about like some nicer class stuff, like you moving, you know, they gonna flag you. They gonna try to get it. But hey, we gonna call it for that. Hey, Turn the TV off.
07, baby, I speak and they listen. I'm going place, don't need your permission. 007, I've been on a mission since back in the tension with pins in the vision. At a young age, first seen people switching. Put me in the house, I don't witness the vision. Like cat and mouse, shake the barrel precision. Cause some people walk for